How to participate in the Zenith Bank offer. Log into the NGX platform with your email and password that you have created. The Zenith Bank public offer appears under available offers. Click view other details. Here you get to see the details about the offer and even download supporting documents for more information. Then head over to buy now, select your broker. Make sure that you select the Quantum Zenith Securities and Investments Limited. Tick use my stockbroker as my commission receiver. Impute the number of shares with 250 units minimum and the amount automatically populates. Tick you have read and accepted the documents listed here. If you haven't, you can download them from there. Or head over to the document portion on your left to download. Then hit buy now. PayStack payment option pops up and this leads to payment. From there, you can follow the prompt, and that's how to participate in the Zenith Bank offers.